Hey guys, let me show you what I just got. It's called Zip Garden. It's a hydroponic vertical farm wall that allows you to grow produce in your home year round. So UPS just dropped off the 4 boxes right here. All right, so this is everything unpacked. Okay, here's the unit fully assembled. I finished it about 2 weeks ago and started my seedlings. And they are about a day or two away from being able to be transplanted into the towers right here. All right, so now I'm ready to transplant the seedlings into the matrix media, and you use the wicking strip here to get the water to the plants, and this is a recycled plastic. Okay, so you then take your seedlings and space them about 4 to 5 inches apart on the matrix media, and then it zips into the 4-foot tower right here. All right, so they're all transplanted, and as you see, there's a little water port right here, and then the water drips down on the wicking strip, which filters the water all the way down to each of the plants. Okay, the base of the unit actually houses the water reservoir and the timers for the pump and for the lights. All right, I just turned on the pumps, and you can see the water flowing down from each of the grommets up top and hitting the wicking strips right there. And then there's a drain right here that recycles the water and takes it back to the reservoir. All right, so here we are 43 days after I started the seedlings, and these plants look amazing. Look at that. I have a couple different types of lettuce in here. So these are the Salanova red oak leaf lettuce, and then this is Gustav's salad. It's a butterhead variety, and as you can see, they're just about ready to be harvested. All right, so today I'm going to harvest some of the lettuce, and it's pretty easy. All you do is just unhook it from the top of the machine here. This is where it was just hooked up right on top like that. All right, so here's some of the butterhead lettuce that I'm harvesting tonight for dinner. Not all of it, of course, but just a couple heads. All right, so we're going to fast forward about a month and a half, and this is the second planting. And look at this stuff, it's crazy. And, you know, I've got some basil up here now that's started, and I'll be doing some chives here in a couple weeks. But this lettuce is huge. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned. I've got more coming.